Here's how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you all the methods to fix YouTube which is not working on your device. So, stay tuned till the end to exactly know what to do. So, in this tutorial, I will show you all the methods where you can fix your YouTube if it's not working for you. So for me, it's currently working fine, but if not, so don't worry, after watching this video, it will fix it for you. So first up, just basically go to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just go to your apps. Right over here, you gotta find your app settings, and you basically need to find YouTube. Let me just quickly search it up right over here, and just simply press on it, and make sure all these settings are turned on, just like microphone, and all these settings are turned on, and make sure your background app refresh is also turned on. So once these settings are turned on, you're pretty much good to go, and you can check it if it's not good. So if it's still not working for you, I recommend going back and then just going to your app store. So go to your app store right over here and search in YouTube and check it if it's not updated. So here, as you can see, I got the latest update. So you need to also update your YouTube in order to work for it. So you basically need to update it, alright? So once your YouTube is updated, if it's still not working, what you can try is simply turning your phone into airplane mode. Just like that. If I do this, just leave it for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on. And then there you go. If it's still not fixed, there's still more solutions. Go to your settings again, and then you can simply restart your phone. Go over here and press on shutdown, and you can just simply restart your phone and check after that. But it's still not working. Again, be in the settings, go to general, and being in general, just go to your iPhone storage. Once you're inside your iPhone storage, just go to YouTube and press offload app. Offload app will basically fix it. It will delete all the cache and delete the app, but it will remain the same. But yeah, it will just make the app refresh. So yeah, these are pretty much all the methods on how you can fix YouTube if it's not working on your iPhone device. So yeah, I hope this video helped you all. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.